Hi there, welcome and welcome back to my channel. Today's recipe is the best pumpkin pie ever. I promise you, this is the only recipe you will need to achieve this amazingly delicious pie. Let's jump right into this video. To a nice clean bowl, we're going to add 1 can of pumpkin, 3 egg yolks and 1 egg and some good vanilla bean extract, some brown sugar, cinnamon, nutmeg, and some condensed milk, some ground ginger, some salt to bring everything together, and I did add some allspice as well. Then we are going to whisk gently, make sure everything is really well combined. This is because we're trying not to, have too many air bubbles in our mixture. So that is why I'm doing it with my hands. Then we are going to add some carnation milk. As you can see there, we achieved just that, little to no air bubbles. So your pie would remain nice and firm and do not crack. Now to make our amazing pie shells, the link will be in the description box, or you can purchase here from the store. But remember, half of your pie is the crust. So we want that buttery, flaky crust. All right, so that link will be in the description box. We're going to bake this pie for 300 in a 350 degrees oven for 55 minutes. Looks absolutely amazingly delicious. After which you're going to let this sit for a few hours or until next day, like I did. This was just perfect. Yes, guys, that was my piece for waiting that long. It was super delicious. And I know when you try this recipe, your reaction is going to be the same. All right? Absolutely amazing. I do also have another recipe, the sweet potato chocolate swirl pie. You guys need to check that out as well. I'll leave the link in the description box. Again, if y'all are new, please do not forget to subscribe. Now be kind to yourself and each other. I love you guys, and I see you all on the next video. Bye-bye.